All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at another Cars and Coffee here in North Olmsted, Ohio, at the Roll House. It's a bowling alley, so it's not a lot of parking, so they're trying to cram much as you can in here, so it's gonna be kind of interesting. But we're doing twofold here because we're handing out some flyers for the Memorial Car Show here for Summerfest at the end of the month. So, but we're gonna get across the street here. Hopefully we don't get hit by a car. And check out some cars, hand out some flyers, and see what we got going on. Nice thing is, it's not too hot out today, so maybe my battery will last a little bit longer than it normally has in the past. So, we'll see. Watch out. Ooh. Thank you! Oh, nice people. Almost got hit. There we go. Almost got ranting. So, let's see what we got. Nice bike going on there. So, anyway, let's see what we got hiding over here in the corner. So, we got some stuff tucked over in here. So, we got an SQ5. Those things are fun. Fastback one thing. Got some Infinities down here. So, like I said, not quite sure what we're going to have car-wise. You know, so things are coming down. We got the Japanese stuff. Got a gentleman taking photos. Going by, he said there's not a lot of places to park around here, so we're gonna see what we got. Now, I don't know what these people up here are doing. They were here even before the show started. So love that Ford Focus RS. Scion coming down. Oh, we got the guys with the t-shirts on. So again, has some cool stuff coming in, but you know, Accord. So again, guys, this is Northeast Ohio, so we're not Southern California, we're not Miami, not Atlanta. You know, we ain't got the mega exotics and stuff like that. Those are few and far between. Got a lot of Corvettes and stuff. Oh, look what he's got going on here on the Z06. Look at that. Whew, he's got that thing pumped up. Check out those starter bodies in there. Very nice. Very nice in there. Got a Mustang. California Special. Look at that. Coming down. Here, we'll put a fire in his front seat since it's open. Look at that. I love the shifter knob on that. Look at that. That's cool, isn't it? So we got an RX-7 convertible. Look what he's got going on here. Lots going on there. Look at that. Very nice. I think he's putting out some power. Got another one next to it too. Battery in the trunk, little weight distribution. He's doing some track day with this. Check out the shift knob on that. Got an alternator in the front seat, so seats in there. We're gonna pass out flyers and start chucking them on people's seats. Look at that. Here, next end of the month. Come to the show.
He's like my friend with JT. They're good friends. They're good friends.
Alright, 7. Here guys, end of the month. We got a show going on over there in Fairview.
Alright, thanks.
Coming down. Ooh, that's nice of that. Look at that. The wing on there. Please tell me it's a manual. God bless you. It's a manual. Coming down. Yeah. Very nice. Going down. Coming down. Let's see what we got going down over here on the end here. We got some more vets over here. So hoping that commentary is not so bad. I'm trying to get better at this, you know. And you do more, hey, you get a little better at it, right? Why not? So, got a C7 Z06. Look at that. Very nice. Black, black, black. God bless you. Those windows are tinted beyond anything. You got a nice C8. Got a roof down. Going on there. key in there. Yeah. Hey guys, end of the month we got a show over in Fairview.
Oh, thank you very much.
Come on by.
Dick Nicholas.
We get a nice turnout for it. Good time. Tesla. Camaro. Oh, we got a nice Porsche over here. Check that out. Yeah. Very nice.
Oh, I love that blue. I like that blue.
What color do you call that interior? Very nice. Got his track maps down there. Are we done on those or what? Comes around. Very nice. Okay guys, got a show going end of the month over in Fairview. Check it out. Nice Viper coming in. Got one in there in the Porsche guys thing. Charger. There we go. Beamer. Volkswagen. Tell this pull in. This thing was actually pretty nice. Camaro Club. Manual. Very nice. I like these. I'm a Ford guy, but got a Charger. Over here, we got SRT. Just putting fires in people's cars. People probably gonna get pissed off at me, but I don't care. Right? Gotta promote. Gotta promote. Get out there. Got another Charger. I'm sorry, this is a Challenger, 2-door Charger. I'm not a big, don't know my Dodge cars, but look at that coming down. Got Acura, got a Volkswagen. Let's see what we got going on over here. Got a nice Audi R8 convertible. Let's come around. Oh, he's got a V10. Very nice. Look at that. Very pretty. I'm a big fan of white cars. Look at that. That thing sounded good when it came in, I'll tell you that. It's got a nice exhaust system on it. That thing came in, that was pretty nice. Coming down, we're going to go down here to this Ferrari. I want to say it's a California. It's an older one. It's still very nice. Very pretty. Got another fan of tan interior. Yeah, what can you do? Coming down, got a Lotus. Hey guys, hey, end of the month, we got a show coming up over in Fairview.
Okay, thank you.
Come check it out. Big old go-kart right here. And this Lotus, these things are a blast. Just weigh nothing, a lot of little power, but they weigh next to nothing. So, lots of fun. Come around, check out this Mustang. That thing's nice.
It's like
Very nice. I like that Mustang. That thing's nice. Look at that. Very pretty. Very nice. Oh, here we go. We got that Huracan. It came in matte black. We got a McLaren next to it. We got a BMW i8. Look at that. You can get these pretty cheap now. 50, 60 range, low miles. Oh, you can rent me. Look, here you go. You can rent this car. So anyone wants to rent this car, you can scan that QR code. Oops, I'm losing all my flyers. Coming around. Yeah, you can rent it. McLaren. This thing sounded good too when it came in. I like that wrap on there. I think it sounded good when it came in. There's that Huracan. Matte black. Look how low this thing got us. This thing slammed. Look at that. Slammed to the ground. And the fucking. Yeah, coming down. Got M6 Grand Coupe. That thing sounded good too when it came in. Come in, got a Z06 Vet. Look at that. Comes down. What about that white interior though? Look at that. Very nice. They're big in that orange. Nice Viper, got heavier Viper. Look at GTS. It's like the shark blue from Porsche. Got a 911R. This guy's 911R is all these shows. Look at that. Basically your precursor to the GT3 Touring. Coming down. How you doing, sir? Here, got a show coming end of the month over in Fairview. Come check it out. Yeah, let's see him do my promoting. Okay, we got going on here. We got Challengers, Honda, Volkswagen. Got a pickup truck, another vet. Coming down. I'm losing flyers. So again, I'm sorry, I apologize for my camera work, but doing what I can. So let's go down the hill here. Hey man, end of the month we have a show here in Fairview. Got a fire, come on by. Got a 996 series turbo eggplants on the front. Eesh. Least favorite. Someone's got to come up with the kit to really change it up. I guess you have to change the front quarters and everything like that. A Subaru WD detailing. I like the yellow. Go around. Got an S5. Got another S5. I like these. Very understated. I did pick up an older one though. It's got low miles. It's got manual V8. We got another Lamborghini. See again, there's like no parking, so people can't fucking park. Pardon my French. So going down. Got another Lotus. There's a Gallardo.
That's what I'm saying.
E-gear. Yeah. So that's E-gear going on. Got a Kia K5. Got an old Boxer. Coming down. Coming down. Okay guys, end of the month we got a show coming on Fairview.
Thank you so much.
Check it out. Thank you guys. If I don't want it, give it back to me, man.
That was a joke. I love you, bro. Dude, I love these things.
That wrap on this Mustang. Yeah. You look like carbon fiber. And these fun little trucks. Look at these things. Look at that. Tell you what, these things are sweet. You got a little, just run around town or something, nice little city up, that thing's sweet. Coming down. Another like Turbo S. Hey guys, got a show up the end of the month in Fairview. Come check it out. It's Turbo S. Hate that color too. Hey, I got a show up the end of the month.
Thanks.
Coming down. Got a Supra, an S5, Beamer, coming down. Coming down, we got a Buick over there, GS. Wait, look how much shit.
You guys always fuck my timing up, so I don't know where to park.
I weigh a little bit more.
We got the bikers over here. So, really not much else going on here. Got AMG GT, look at that. That's nice. That sounded good too when it came in. Got M5. I think it's a competition though.
Shorts.
It's an M5. And going to the last row. Okay, this is going to be really quick with the bikers. Look at that Scrambler, Ducati Scrambler. That thing's pretty sweet. Look at that.
Now we're talking.
That thing's cool. I like that.
I gotta be front side.
Coming around. Let's see, we're hiding over here in the back. And probably wrap this up because again, we got nothing here. It's a terrible video. I'll put it in the description. Terrible video. If you watch it till this point, God bless you. Coming down, got a Kia, got everyone sporting their Someone's showing their hood in their electric car. That's funny. Coming down. What's going on over here with these people? This is kind of humorous. Going down. Got a shark blue vet. I know it's not shark blue, but what can we do? Sorry, man. Going down. It's a boxer. This old MG in the corner. Hiding. Yeah. Old MG. Look at that. We can give him a flyer. There we go. Coming down. So, Camaro. So, that's pretty much it. Like I said, there's no parking here. There's no nothing. The cars are terrible. Again, this is Northeast Ohio. We get nothing here. So, don't know what else to share with you guys. So, I don't know. Apologize if I wasted 10-15 minutes of your day watching this. Hopefully you watch it. Hey, just hit that like and subscribe button though. I'm trying to get more better stuff coming. Next weekend we got the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix coming up. So, we have some really cool content from there. So, this is kind of a filler. So, appreciate it, guys. Remember, like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good one, guys. All right, welcome back to the channel again. And today we actually hunted down to that gentleman right there in the Hertz. You let me know about this show that's going on. It was a rain out or something before. So these are all cars that are 25 years or older. So what we're going to do is go down check out this midget racer. So we're going to check out what we got here going on and hand out some flyers here. But they got some cool stuff. Looks like a lot more cars here. Look at this bad boy. Look at that. That'd be a lot of fun. Oh, my favorite Mustang, SVO. Love these SVOs. You got to bring that to our show. I love these SVOs. My favorite Mustang. SVO. Super B. This thing's got some patina on it. Hey guys, we got a thing end of the month.
Thank you.
Come check out the show. How you guys doing today? Hey, if you don't know about it, here, I'll give you each one. Got a show coming up at the end of the month at Summerfest for Fairview. Coming down. They parked in the wrong way. Come by. Look at that. 944 turbo. It's for sale. This Chevy Capri. It's coming out. Look at that. Trans Am. Look at that. Coming down. End of the month over in Fairview.
Yeah, I've been here before.
You been to that one?
I got one for you.
Oh, you do? Pass them out. Give them to me.
Ask me to go around.
Hey, I'll get them. I'll help you out. Very nice. Outstanding. Are you Jesse or Jeff?
Jeff.
Jeff, I'm William.
William, pleased to meet
Pleasure
you.
to meet you, sir.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Look at this beautiful Mustang. Look at that. Very nice fastback. Automatic. Look at that. Very pretty. We gotta check out this Trans Am this guy's got going on down here. Got a 442, but look at this Trans Am. Look at that. Oh my. The doors got a roll cage in there. Look at that. Outstanding. Trying to hold this at the same time so I can hand out flyers.
See that plate over here.
I'm gonna set this on you guys' seat. You gotta bring this to our show. That thing's gonna be excellent. That thing's awesome. Very nice, well built. That thing is awesome.
That's definitely a toy. Like big kid toy right there all day long.
That is
That's Hot Wheels.
outstanding.
That paint.
I know that flake in it.
What show was you getting?
Here, I got Summerfest. We're coming up at the end of the month here in Fairview. You can come to that?
I already registered.
Outstanding, outstanding. Then the gentleman down there gave me one for his show in Elyria, so I'm helping him out and handing out those ones too. So I put it on the front seat. This is his car, right?
Yeah, he's got
Here, I forgot that one. There. Is this your 442?
No, I got a Catalina over there, 69.
Oh, very nice. I'm headed that way now. That is awesome. All right. Like I say, we're getting distracted a bit here, handing out and talking to people. Let's see what else we got going on over here. So there's a lot more cool stuff here than that last show. Like I said, Northeast Ohio, we're more classic muscle cars than exotics, unfortunately. As you all know, I'm more exotic guy, but I love old muscle cars too. So I'm trying to get what can get an eclectic mix for the car show here at the end of the month for Summerfest. That maybe next year I'll take over and totally revamp it because it needs some revamping and do it. So, but we're here in Rocky River now for this show. So maybe I'll have these as 2 separate videos and set them up. So, because this one seems to get a lot of cool stuff to it too. So let's see what we got going on over here. I'm gonna try and do what I can. Share that 57 Chevy convertible. Look at that. Look at these. Look at those Chrysler. Look at that. The old boat. Look at that. Chrysler New Yorker. Look at that. That Bel Air. Look at that thing. Wow. Spectacular. Got the model and everything. Look at that. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. That big old boat, the caddy. Look at that coming down. Fairlane convertible 67. Got a nice Thunderbird. Look at that green colors. Awesome. Look at that. Very nice. That's pretty. Very nice. Very, very nice. She's got some tea buckets over here. Look at these. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice. Coming down. It's Plymouth with that drag car. Look at this. A Max wedge in there. Look at that. Wow. Outstanding. Very pretty. There's Vet in CRS over there. Check this thing out. Mustang. These older ones, these things are ugly as sin. Check this thing out. Oh, we've had this before on here, but look at this thing. It's awesome. I love this thing. This thing is sweet.
So wait, when did you get married?
Look at that. I don't know if I had it on before, but that thing is just killer. That is outstanding. We got over here SS to this. Sorry we're not getting too close to some of these. Check them out. Got a nice truck. Chevelle. Check out this old truck. Got all the pop bottles on the back of the boot. Look at that. That is neat. No Ford. Look at that. Outstanding. Coming by, coming down. What else we got? Oh, check out the wagon. Got another MG. Check out this wagon. Look at that. Country Squire. Check out the backrest on that. And check out the Suicide back here. For all of you that used to ride in the back of these back in the day. Remember this? I do. That was fun, waving at people going by. And check out this beautiful MG. Look at that. Beautiful. There's Healy over here. Check out this Healy. Yeah. Pretty. Very nice. Look at this Ford. Oh, I love that interior. I love those seats. And see, I love when they keep them like that. How they were when they came from the factory. That looks sweet. Look at that flathead. Coming down. It's old. It is beautiful. XK140. Look at this.
It's a manual. Yeah.
That is pretty. 56. Look at that. Wow. Spectacular. Look at an old DeSoto. Thunderbird. Look at these. The old MG. Look at that Charger. Big old boat. This is Coupe de Ville. Look at that. Wow. Look at the size of the trunk on this thing. Look at the size. Nice Mustang next to it too. Look at that. Straight 6. Yep. Look at the trunk on the size of the trunk on this bad boy. Look at that. Talk about to fit some bodies in there. Jesus Christ. Check out this Mustang. Very nice. The one's over there. She's got the old bike.
Literally.
Look at that. Very nice. I just got the BMW. I think those are those Urals going on, coming down. She's got this beautiful vet. Look at that. Very nice. Coming down, we got ourselves a hot rod. That's pretty. Very nice. You can tell it's a steel body or not. I hate the interior. Very nice. Nice Chevy. Yeah, got his Craigers on there. Old bench seats. Very nice. And nice Malibu. And then that's pretty. Very nice Malibu. Look at that. Headers on it. I come down and got some construction work going on. Check out the dump truck. Best dump truck here. Look at that. What do you think? Doing some foundation work. All right, look at this. Whoa, look at they dropped into this bad boy. Look at that. Whoa. Talk about a resto mod. Jesus. Very nice.
There's a car.
No, that's a Chevy. You love this guy.
Look at this.
You'll always see their bigger sisters.
Ford. Look at that. It's a shoebox. Look at that. Very nice. 3 on the tree. Very nice. Oh, look at this Ranchero. Very nice. A Mustang convertible. Very nice. And a Challenger. No, I'm sorry. That's a Plymouth. Look at that. Wow. That is nice. Triple black. Very nice. And we got a goat. I love the box size goats. That's an automatic. With bucket seats. Very pretty. Coming down. A Chevy. Camaro. A Vega. A truck. Oh, it's nice convertible here. Very pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. That is gorgeous. Very nice. Very nice. So that's about it for here. So you see, we had a lot of cooler looking cars here. So the other stuff we had before. So that's about it. But remember, hit that like and subscribe button. Sorry, my commentary sucks. I'm trying to get better at this, so I'm doing what I can. But again, all right, now next video will be from the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix. So appreciate it, guys. Remember, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.